Okay guys, so this is the biggest unboxing we are about to do. I was sent this by Epson. It's the EcoTank L8100. It's a printer that can do a couple of stuff. You can print, you can copy and scan, it connects to Wi-Fi, it has different input points, it has an LCD screen, you can do CD and DVD print, and you can also do PVC ID card printing. So let's look at it. I hope I'm in frame. Okay, I am hoping you do that. Let's put it to the side. Then this is the ink. And then the power cord. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so pretty much this is what you get from inside the box. The printer and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. So this is the cyan, black, light magenta, yellow, magenta, light cyan, and the power cord. So as someone who has never used a printer, let's see how this goes. I have used a printer but never set up one. If I have, I can't remember. Let me just install the app and hope for the best. Okay, so I guess this is the point where I need to power up the device so that it can find it. English, yes. Set up a new product. Okay, so it has found the product, as you can see here. Yes, connect to that. Okay, please wait. Let's get ready for ink initialization. These are the things I won't know how to do, so we will guide you step to step. This is so good. Before you start, make sure you follow. Stay in front of the printer. Do not turn off the printer while setting it up. So I am in front of the printer. Usage collection information, approve, I don't know what that is. Okay, so the printer is now making certain sounds. And on the digital display, it's saying setting up the printer from Epson Smart Panel, do not power off. So now it's saying check the following. You can now prepare the printer, swipe the screen up or down to check previous steps. Let's start with ink. Refer to the image below and open the cover. So the image says you open the cover this way. Okay. Then you open the ink cartridge this way. Do not touch the white flat cable, translucent film, or transportation lock inside the printer. I don't know what that is, but yeah, I won't touch anything white. Prepare the ink starting with black. So, okay, so I'm supposed to start with black. So this is black. I need to open it up and insert black. Then go that way. So black, light cyan, magenta, cyan, yellow, light magenta. So this is black. Twist it. After twisting it, open this up, insert it, and it is now doing its job. I can hear a sound. So when it's done, it will just stop automatically. So all I need to do is it has stopped. There's still some ink remaining here. So what I'll do is I'll close the bottle. So once I'm done with that, I pop that back in, do the rest for the others. With each container, I happen to have a little ink left, so I'll store this, and in case I ever need refilling, I'll use this. And in case I need more, I'll go buy these colors. So I guess it will be easy to just go to a bookshop or somewhere where Epson products are sold and tell them I need a refill of this. Now back to the Epson app so that we know what's the other next process. So I'm supposed to close that. So I've checked everything is filled to the upper line and hit yes. So this is like a chatbot. So close the cover, this cover, closed it. Next, close the bigger cover that way, and next. If all tanks are not filled, with ink, before you continue, you may damage the printer. So it's double checking. Now I need to also come here and look, everything is full. So that's a double check, hit yes. It will start an initialization. So this is the initialization process. Do not turn off the power until initialization is complete, and it will take about 7 minutes. Okay, so once the initialization process is complete, you'll get moved to print quality adjustments. Let's go back to the app. As I've told you, the ink is now on a similar level, you can see. And now let's see what comes next. After you're done with all that, you will get the notification that setup is complete and the printer is ready to use. Then I need to slide this out. This is the home screen. Copy, print photos, scan, various prints, settings, maintenance, smartphone connect. So if I want to print something, I should just come to print photos, then hit print. Memory device is not inserted, so I guess that's why there is that. I can get something direct from a flash and print with it. Then if I want to copy something, I can just come here, put whatever I want to copy. So for example, say I want to copy whatever this is, I should be able to open up this, insert it, and then hit copy. Let me do black and white because I don't want to spend most of the ink I have. I want one copy, then hit copy. So it should be able to scan whatever I want to copy. So it's a photocopier, it's a printer, and it's a scanner. Okay, so now let's say I'm reading something online. This is what I'm reading. Africa AI Council launched to drive 2.9 trillion AI-led growth by 2030. And I want to print this. All I need to do is come here, hit share. Since the printer is already connected to Wi-Fi, it's an easy process. So all I need to do is hit print. It aligns, the smartphone automatically does that for me. Then I come here and look for the print on the Wi-Fi, and there you go. Then I hit print. Default printing service, your document may pass through one or more servers on its way to the printer. That's okay. And since it's connected to Wi-Fi, it will automatically print whatever it is that I wanted printed. And there you go. So now I have sent a document from Wi-Fi to the printer. This is what I wanted printed, and here it is. All through Wi-Fi, no cables needed from any device. So you can do this from your laptop, you can do this from your phone, you can do this from anywhere, provided you have the same your laptop or your phone connected to the same network as the printer. You can send anything and print. You can do photo printing, you can do color printing, you can do black and white printing and all that. Okay guys, so that has been the setup process. I've loved everything that we've done. I love the app that has enabled the setting up process to be very quick and simple and easy. You're using it like a chatbot. There's double checking to make sure you've done the right thing. I like that the ink process setup is very easy. You just drop it and it does it for itself. No pouring, no measuring, no nothing. It chooses. The adjustment process is really easy, as you've seen. The ink gets all done. I love that the Wi-Fi setup process is very easy. You get to connect it to Wi-Fi. No need for cables, no need for Bluetooth scanning to print and all that. As long as the Wi-Fi, the printer is on Wi-Fi, you can print from any gadget, as I've shown you. And yeah, it's a really nice setup process, easy, quick, simplified. Takes a lot of time, but it's way simplified than if I was doing it without all that help. The printing quality is good, as we've seen here. Printed a document from 𝐭𝐞𝐜 and it has worked really well. The color is okay. I love that you can print photos, PVC and ID cards and all that. I will be showing you more videos about this on TikTok, so you can follow 𝐭𝐞𝐜 on TikTok for that. But yeah, the process has been very nice, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment sections below. Remember to subscribe.